Zero-Downtime replacement. Migrating from Aironet to Cisco Catalyst 9100-916 SECs, still running Cisco Aironet apps. It's time to migrate to Catalyst 9100 and 916X for Wi-Fi 6/6E, WPA3 security, and 6 GHz capacity. The process starts with an audit inventory old APS, controllers, and coverage issues. Use mapping, Aironet 1700 gives C9105, 2700 gives C9115, 9120ths. 3700 gives C9130, 4800 gives C9136. Outdoor gives C9163, Stage Catalyst APS, test joins with Catalyst 9800 or EWC and playing cutover zone by zone. Validate coverage, roaming, and performance, keeping rollback ready. With smart planning, you'll ensure zero downtime, better user experience, and a future-ready wireless network.